Hello there, good morning, it's Clarkson Commercials here again, and this time round what we have for you is a 2005 on the 55 plate Nissan Navara 2.5 DCI. It's the SE model and it's a double cab 4-wheel drive pickup. The vehicle came in to us as a part exchange against a transit van, and it came from a local estate owner down near Cameron House in Loch Lomond, and we know all the story about this one. Now it's MOT'd until October of this year, 2005, 55 in the year. Now 4-wheel drives, we know a thing or two about 4-wheel drive vehicles, and this one certainly is set apart, number one by the condition and two by the mileage. 55 plate 4-wheel drive Navaras, normally by this stage in their life they're 90 or 100,000 miles and they really have seen a bit of life. Very happy to say this one is way the other end of the scale. The condition is quite something to behold for what is now an 8-year-old vehicle. 40,000 miles, one previous owner from new, and in many respects it's a unique Navara based on those points. Load liner in the back, as you can see, and it's got the hard back on it here that flips over and locks into place, and that can roll forward in 3 stages to give you the full access to the rear, but a handy piece of kit nevertheless. Load liner in the back there, and I hope that in there tells its own story. It's very clean indeed. Factory silver in colour, got a tow bar in the back there, alloy wheels, side bars, and we'll just come round into the cabin here. Again, it's the same story in here, no signs whatsoever of a hard life, very much in tune with private car condition as opposed to ex-building site work vehicle, which certainly it is not. Inside here, I think it's a 6-speed box. You've got your ventilation controls there, your CD radio, and certainly not the worst place to spend your day. Right, just close the doors, work my way back round the bodywork. 35 years we've been trading this year, quite proud to say that. Still an independent family business, and this is certainly right up there with the calibre that we have become well known for. We don't do bruised, battered, tired, puffed out, hard worked vehicles, absolutely not, and that goes for any of our stock, whether it be the 4-wheel drive pickups, transit vans. Everything is of this kind of calibre or it's not at all, and I do get fed up hearing myself say that, but at the end of the day that is where we're at, and that is what sets us apart from the competition. So there we go. I'll just work my way around the back, close the tailgate, show you the back of the vehicle. Your test drives are always welcome. We're open 7 days, weekends till noon. Every vehicle goes through our own workshops for a very rigorous mechanical check. Do not assume that all used van dealers have their own workshops. The vast majority, alarmingly enough, do not have their own workshops, but we do have our own mechanics on site here, and you know, we genuinely take pride in what we do. Right, close this over, and there's that tow bar on the back there I mentioned earlier on. But really it's the mileage, the condition, the low numbers of owners, it really does set this apart, and it's not to be confused with your average 8-year-old Nissan Navara. Very clean, sharp and crisp in all respects. As per company policy, I've just got to say that all the vehicles that we sell are second hand, and they all have the first life before we get them, and they may have marks and general wear consistent with the age and mileage. I've just got to say that disclaimer to cover our back, but as I mentioned earlier on, we do take pride in what we do, and we certainly don't sell vehicles that have worked to death. If you're into Facebook, please do join our Facebook page. You'll get all the daily updates and goings on with the company. You'll get all the latest stock there as well. If you're viewing this on the internet on our website, you'll see a brown speech bubble at the bottom right hand corner of the page. Please do feel free to fire any questions in there, and that will ping through immediately to my phone, and I'll answer them straight away. So there we go, a 2005 on the 55 plate Nissan Navara 2.5 DCI SE model, 4-wheel drive, double cab, diesel pickup, one previous owner from new, MOT until October of this year, and that motor is quite something special. It really is, given its year. My name is Barry, thank you for watching, thanks for your time, and hope to speak to you soon.